Hello, my name is Denise Contreras Medrano, Activity Unit 2, We're a conversation. Hello, Lina, how are you? Hi, Anna, I'm fine, thank you. Are you arrived before right? Yes, I had meeting with it and early. Can help you with some time. Well, I am making dinner. Would you mind help with dessert? Sure, I'm great with dessert. Do you like strawberry and cream? Yes, I do. And what about your sister? Does she like strawberries and cream? Sure, she does. In fact, she loves strawberries. Grace, let's do it. Anna, you are wearing a beautiful coat jacket. You could stay it. We don't you let touch it off? Oh, you're right. In fact, it is not mine. Sure, what is it? Do you remember my cousin Kathy is her jacket? Oh, of course, I remember Kathy. She is so sweet. We don't you call her and invite her to the meeting? I don't think so. I talking with her as she at the floor. I had to have her aspirating and injections the morning. Really? What a pity, and what does she have? She has already had a little cold and fever. That's why I will highlight just to this say hello from my but with to change the jacket you can use them apron. Okay, thank you. We are going to hurry because the other are almost here. Dad, I'm making stewed chicken a bit too best. Everything is almost ready. Perfect. Thank you.